Hey guys, back at it again with another video. This is Rick01234 and this is gonna be another PC video. So I'm playing this game called Lords.io, hashtag not sponsored, but I was noticing this game and they give specific YouTubers specific skins, so if I get noticed, that'd be pretty nice. And as you can see, there's characters as like an IO game. And they try to attack you, and everyone's anonymous, and you have to restart your progress every time, like any other IO game. So yeah, should probably build a base. Yeah, how about I don't go there? I'm not gonna go there. I'll just keep running until I find this gold, because there's these gold blocks that you can build these gold mines on, like you could see right there. Yeah, run. No. Is that guy on top? Yeah, that guy's on top. Here, I'm gonna see if I have enough. I'm gonna destroy this, guys. Yeah, I'm not doing any damage. I need to have coins, so that way I can have this. I have to build a base soon, or else I'll die. Like from those scary people that you saw before. Oh, you have to be kidding me. So these gold blocks, you can build these mines on, which auto collects gold for you, which is what you need to build a base with. And I might just have to be a nomad and just build my houses in the corner. Come on, is there any free gold blocks, please? Oh, come on. Be nice, game. I'll just build my base in the corner. So, oh, he didn't kill me. He took mercy. Woo! So I'm just gonna build these in the corner. And then E again. So what I need now is a way to get gold. Oh, you have to be... Oh, I'm in 12th place. Stop killing me, please. Oh, hello, noob. Is he a noob? He is a noob. Space. Attack. Yeah, I'm gonna retreat. Oh. Attack. Give me your troops. Here, give me your troops, man. Give me your troops. Yes. Attack. No. Yes, attack. Attack. Oh my, he won't die. Accept your defeat. There we go. So he's dead and I'm starting to build up an army, as you can see. But these are like the lowest level players possible and can just die from everything. But it's something. And yeah. No. Okay. Shoot. Shoot. No. My troops, they're dying. Okay. I need a gold mine. There we go. Yeah, can I destroy this now? Let's hope that Master Neck Guy doesn't find me. Okay, I'm gonna build my base right here. So, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna be auto-generating coins for a while. Until that guy that owns it, that Master Nick guy, figures out, and then I'm gonna lose the game. So that sucks. I guess I should start building right here, right? Okay, no, I'm gonna go to my base. So, okay, so now I don't have enough for troops, but I have enough money to start building up my empire right here. So I have to protect this right there. Boom. And another one up top. Right there. Boom. Okay, this looks... Yeah, that guy's scary. Give me more coins. There we go. Let's put it. There we go. That's nice. That's pretty good. So I should probably build more houses, shouldn't I? Nope. Oh, wait. Nope. Nope. Okay. Okay, I'm getting money now. So let's build a house right there. Boom, boom. And boom, boom. This is starting to look nice. I only have the weakest troop possible on my team, but this is okay. Yeah. I can work with this. There we go. Okay, my characters might be small, but if I have a lot of these things I can take up. I can battle giants. Nope, mistakes, mistakes. No, no, no. Wait. Oh, he's still alive. Oh, yes. Yes. Wait, there's a guy named Mitch. Am I playing with Mitch? Yeah, I think I'm playing with Mitch. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is gonna be my little base, but I'm gonna be a nomad, so I'm always gonna keep moving in this game. So keep moving, that's what I'm gonna plan to do, and I can see if my buildings get destroyed if my on the top right you can top bottom corner, you can see that. Yeah. Oh, wait. I'll might as well just boom and then keep moving. Keep moving, keep. That's what I'm gonna do. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. If that lagged on your screens too, I'm sorry, I can't control lag. No, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. No. Nope. Nope. Okay, guys, as you can see, I'm starting to build up an army here. There we go. We're starting to have an army. Yeah, that's pretty good. There we go. That's pretty good. It has like the weakest troops, but I like it. Okay, yeah, that's barely enough. Oh wait, is that the guy from before? Oh, that's the guy from before. I think I can attack him later in this game. Oh, what's that Cernic guy? I hope he doesn't find me, because if so, I'm probably screwed. Because he is on 4th and I suck. Nah, I'm gonna go attack this base for the views. No, I should probably make that the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna go make this the thumbnail real quick. I should probably make that a thumbnail, but I don't know how to. So guys, I'm gonna go and raid this for the views. Okay, wait, no. I need the best troops. I'm gonna get a P. Yeah, that sounded weird. And then another. Oh, is that too much? So I'll build an M. Yes. For Sparta! Sparta! For Sparta! Yeah, I'm about to die, aren't I? So, yeah. That wasn't one of my best ideas. Oh, but I can go to the shop and open a chest for you guys. Nope, I can't. Well, guys, hope you liked the little video. Leave a like and subscribe. And, just, yeah. Leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys next time.